Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, I use stored signature error detected when reading container header, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, you're just going to close out your Fortnite, and once you're done closing the game, now you're going to open up the Epic Games launcher, and then you're going to go to your library. Now you're going to go to your Fortnite. I'm going to use another game as an example. So what you're going to do is you're going to click onto these three dots on Fortnite, and then you're going to click onto manage here. And once you're in manage, you're just going to click onto verify files, and then Fortnite will verify your game's files. And once it's done verifying the file's integrity, then you'll be able to play Fortnite now, and you will not get that IO store signature error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.